One thing I do want to cover with everyone is what Cojali calls the expert code. What the expert code is a 6-digit code that Cojali provides, and it's intended for whoever is managing the shop to control in the shop whether the technician can either just read fault codes or if he can actually change parameters. So if you go into, let's say, maintenance, and let's go to do a regen, the first screen that pops up is this action is under expert code. Do you want to perform this? All you have to do if you save your expert code is click this box and click accept, and then it will take you into that. If you don't have your expert code, you can actually call Cojali and they can give it to you, or you can go into your portal and get it. But I have my expert code saved, and how you save that expert code for every time, if not you have to type it in every time, is you come up here to these 3 lines, you go to configuration, activate expert code, and then check this box, and then you put your 6-digit code in here and click activate expert code. Once you do that, there'll be another box that pops up down here that says keep this code active for each execution. All you do is select that box, put the check mark in it, and then click this check mark, and that will save the changes. So then every time you open up the software, expert code will be active.